Hello again to our regular viewers. Today we are going to introduce two very practical and interesting functions in Python, ORD and CHR. These two functions act as a bridge between the world of characters and the world of numbers. The ORD function. This function takes a single character and returns its corresponding Unicode numerical value. Simply put, it tells you the numerical code each letter or symbol has in the computer world. The CHR function. This function does exactly the opposite of ORD. It takes an integer and returns the character corresponding to that code. As you can see, these two functions are inverses of each other. If you convert a character to a number using ORD and then pass the same number to CHR, you will get the original character back. Let's clarify this with a few examples. Example 1. Converting alphabet letters. We want to find the numerical code for the uppercase letter A and then see what the code for the lowercase letter A is. I define a variable and assign it uppercase A. Then I define a variable and assign it or the char underscore A. Let's print it. And let's run it and print 65. Then I define a variable and assign it lowercase a and define a variable and assign it or char underscore a. Let's print it and let's run it. 97. Now let's try the inverse. Is CHR 65 the same as uppercase A? Let's print it. And let's run it, and yes, uppercase A. Is CHR 97 the same as lowercase a? Let's print it. And let's run it. Yes, lowercase a. As you can see, uppercase and lowercase letter of the English alphabet have different numerical codes. Example 2. Converting a special character and symbols. These functions aren't just for letters. Let's find out the numerical code for the exclamation mark and the euro symbol. Let's print it. Example 2. I define a variable and assign it exclamation mark. Then I define a variable and assign it or char underscore exclamation. Let's print it and let's run it. Print 33. I define a variable and assign it euro. I define a variable and assign it or char underscore euro. Let's print it and let's run it and print it. Okay. And their inverse. Let's print it and let's run it. Okay, print it, another print, and let's run. Euro symbol is printed. Okay, This demonstrates that ORD and CHR can work with a wide range of characters. Example 3. Creating a symbol an encoded message. Let's say we want to encode a simple message by shifting the numerical code of its characters in a very basic way. For instance, we can shift each letter to the next character in the Unicode table. Let's do this. I define example 3. I define a variable and assign it hello. I define a variable and assign it empty string. I define another variable and assign it empty string. Let's print it. Print hello. Okay. Encoding the message. Let's do this. Let's print it and let's run it and print it. Okay. Decoding the message. Let's print it. Let's run it and print hello again. Hello. Okay. This was a very simple example of encoding, showing how we can perform interesting operations on strings by combining ORD and CHR. Important note: the ORD function accepts only a single character. If you pass a string longer than one character, you will get an error. Similarly, the CHR function accepts only integers, and these integers must be within the valid range of Unicode code points. I hope this example have helped you better understand the utility and power of the ORD and CHR functions. See you in the next video.